Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to Team Y. So if you're looking for a pair of compact desktop speakers, then you might want to check out the Edifier M60, which we have here today. And I just want to show you guys a quick overview of the features and specifications of these speakers. Now these were sent over to the channel by Edifier, so a big shout out to them. And we have covered other Edifier speakers here on Team Y, so I will drop some links to those videos below. With that said, let's get started. Alright, so right off the bat, one of the first things you'll notice about the Edifier M60 speakers is the design. They are pretty minimalist, and as I mentioned earlier, they are pretty compact, allowing them to fit into most desktop setups, especially if you just need a pair of speakers which don't take up too much space. Obviously, we have the white version here, and I was surprised to find out that the speakers also included a pair of aluminum stands, which is a nice extra to have, especially if you want to position your speaker with a slight angle. Now, what's interesting with these speakers is that they don't feature physical controls. You won't find any buttons sticking out, which does make for a clean design. But they do feature touch controls, and if you're looking for that really high-tech look, then this does blend in nicely with that. On the front, you'll find a 1-inch silk dome tweeter, as well as a 3-inch aluminum mid-low driver. And over on the back, there are a few connection ports for your aux input port, as well as support for USB-C connectivity, your power cable, as well as the line to connect your speakers together. And yeah, if you're running this with a laptop or desktop setup, it is a pretty convenient setup in terms of connectivity. The speakers also include a number of other cables, including a 3.5mm audio cable, a USB Type-C cable, a line that connects both your speakers to each other, your power cable, in addition to the speakers themselves. There's also wireless audio connectivity by way of Bluetooth 5.3, so if you want to go with a wireless solution for this one, then that will also be possible. But of course, there are considerations regarding a bit of latency as well as the overall clarity of your sound output. Now, Edifier says that the M60 speakers are capable of high quality audio processing, and this includes a high performance analog audio front end, as well as a Class D amplifier and support for 24-bit and 96 kHz operation. And as a casual user, I mean, I'm not really an audiophile, but to my average consumer ear, it does sound pretty nice with an outstanding bass sound, clear mids, and pretty good sounding highs. Now, an audio sample that you're going to watch via this video is not going to be the most accurate example of the sound quality on the M60, but nevertheless, here's a quick sample for you guys out there. Now, as for software, the Edifier M60 speakers can also be connected to the Edifier Connects app, so you can tweak the overall sound quality and some settings via your smartphone, which does add for a bit of convenience whenever you're using them. And yeah, these are the Edifier M60 speakers. Again, if you're looking for a relatively portable, lightweight, and compact speaker setup for your table, your computer desk, or what have you, then you might want to look at these ones. I am a big fan of the design, the touch controls, as well as the straightforward connectivity with USB Type-C and 3.5mm audio. And as for price, these go for around $180 if you're in the US, so they're not really super expensive. And it's nice to see good sounding speakers priced at below $200. Let me know what you think about the Edifier M60 speakers in the comments below. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.